Your budget doesn't just tell you where your money is going, it can actually help you calculate your path to financial independence. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a free financial independence calculator to turn your monthly budget into a clear plan for building wealth and reaching financial freedom. When you first open the template, you're going to see the Start Here Instructions tab that's going to tell you exactly how to use this template. When you click on the FI calculator and tracker, it's going to first ask you for step number 1 to input what year you want to reach financial independence. So in this example, let's say you want to reach financial independence by 2045. And then it's going to ask you what your monthly expenses are. This is where you input your monthly budget that you've been tracking month to month. And if you don't have a monthly budgeting system, be sure to check out this video where I show you a simple money management system that you can use to start tracking your money monthly. So let's say your monthly expenses that you anticipate you will have by the time you reach 2045 is $5,000. So we'll enter $5,000. When you enter that amount, you're going to notice that your annual expenses are automatically calculated, which would be $60,000. And then your FI number would be 1.5 million. Financial independence number is calculated by taking your annual expenses times 25, which then allows you to withdraw 4%, which would be $60,000 every year to support your living expenses. Then in step number 3, it asks you to put your current invested amount. This is the amount of money that you have invested in your investment account, your brokerage account, your Roth IRAs, your 401k account, all of any retirement or investment account that you have. So in this example, let's imagine that you already have $50,000 invested. Next, it tells you your percentage to FI. And in this example, you are 3.33% of the way. And you have about 1.45 remaining. It tells you how many years you have until you reach your target retirement year, which is 19 years. Then on the right-hand side, you have your investment calculator. It's going to auto-calculate your starting amount, which we said you have $50,000 already invested. It will tell you in the white here to enter your monthly contributions. So let's say you plan to invest $500 per month. Assuming an annual return of 8%, you have 19 years to grow. Your end balance would be $493,000. So not quite yet what you need to reach 1.5 million. So let's see what happens when you enter $1,000. If you were to invest monthly for $1,000, then you'll see here that your end balance would be $759. So you can use this calculator to help you change up whether the retirement year or the monthly investment amount in order to see how long you have until reaching financial independence. So if you were to retire in 2050 instead, then you would be close. Your money has more time to grow. Investing $1,000 per month, you would reach an end balance of 1.2. So you're getting a little bit closer. So you can kind of use this calculator to use your monthly budget amount and use it to estimate how much you would need in order to reach financial independence. Now, the next thing you want to do is track your milestones. So as you achieve the different milestones, you can check them off. For example, reaching 3 months of emergency fund and a high yield savings account. So as you reach these goals, you can check them off. Another thing you want to do is make sure to pay any high interest debt. So as you do that, you can check that off. So far you have $50,000 invested. So once you reach $60,000 invested, then you've reached 1 year of expenses invested. And as you track your goals, you can see the progress bar increasing, showing you and visualizing how you've achieved this goal. So this is something that you can use to track your goals over time and how to turn your monthly budget into a pathway towards reaching financial independence. This template is free to use, so be sure to grab a copy down in the description. If you're looking for a simple system to manage your monthly budget and track your spending in real time, then check out this video next. And consider subscribing for more simple ways to manage your money with ease and build financial freedom. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.